Let's all welcome Nayeli, a senior from Keys, Oklahoma, who's already earned her associate's degree in the medical laboratory technician program at SWOSU and is now pursuing her bachelor's degree in applied health science. Nayeli's journey demonstrates the diverse backgrounds and experiences of students at the university from all walks of life. Nayeli, please share more with us.
Thanks, Alex. Hello, everyone. Growing up in a small town in the Oklahoma Panhandle, I knew I wanted to attend a college where I could meet new people. Southwestern Oklahoma State University was that place. My parents came to the United States from Mexico to provide my siblings and I a better future. I strive to get a degree not just for me, but for my family. I recently graduated with an associate's degree in medical laboratory technician from SWOSU, and it was the best decision I made. The hands-on lab experience prepared me for my clinicals, and throughout the MLT program, I made lifelong friendships with my classmates. The program and professors prepared me for my bachelor's degree by helping me excel in my health science classes and providing the tools I needed to succeed. The SWOSU community makes students feel like family, not just a student ID number. They want to see students succeed in their careers. That's why I joined the Learning Lounge, to help incoming students navigate their new chapter in life. Students can come to the Learning Lounge for help with homework, print assignments, or to study. SWOSU has many ways for students to get involved on campus. I joined the Hispanic American Leadership Organization my freshman year, and I loved it. I later became president and was so happy to share my Hispanic heritage not just to our members, but to other students on campus. SWOSU has allowed me to pursue my dreams of working in the medical field. Without my professors, friends, and family, none of this would have been possible. As I finish my bachelor's degree and get ready for graduation, I know I will be prepared for anything. Back to you, Alex.
Nayeli, thank you for sharing your inspiring journey, your commitment to helping fellow students through the Learning Lounge, and your leadership in Halo truly showcases the inclusive environment here. It's evident that SWOSU has provided you with the tools and support you need to succeed. Thanks again.